In this training video, we will be going over programming your antimicrobial form. So this is the name of the form, antimicrobial, but this appears on your side menu. And this is the name of your form title. So this is what will appear at the top of the form. Here's your toolbar where you can program all this text. All of it can be changed or edited, whatever you want to do. We offer tokens, and you can certainly use these if you want, which would affect all your text, your statements. And then we offer an input field under statements, such as this one. You can do that as well. If you wanted to, at a later date, revert this back to the way it used to read, you could just click on that button. So this is for the accept. So in other words, they will accept to have antimicrobial applied within their home or business for that matter. Or this is where they would decline. So all this text could be changed just like this one using that same toolbar. So it's either accept or decline. And then again, you could always add a note box at the bottom of these. So this is where the programming is done for your antimicrobial, and then it would show up just like you see here. It shows your customer's name and address, claim number, if there's one. And this is where they would click on accept or decline. But again, all this is done in your programming tab. Once you're working in a project, you'll see this on the side tab. And once more, I want to remind you that you could name this something else if you wanted to. Completely up to you. To your success, and thank you for watching.